First thing to do is change your color background to green because we wanna remove the background on the Premiere Pro. Next is type your text. For example, you are the love of my life. And then put some animation. We choose appear. Next, go to the animation pan. On the right side, we click this triangle button and we change the animation text from all at once to by letter. And then we change the second delay between letter to 0,1. Okay, next, go to the file, save, choose the place wherever you want. Change the save type to MP4. Drag your typewriter effect to the top of the footage. Then go to the effects type Ultra key. Drag the effect to typewriter footage. Change the default to aggressive. Click on the color drop tool. Click on the green background. Boom! You have a typewriter effect. An easy way. Adios.